this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we are checking out this gift that I received from Wheels of Interest for Christmas. It is the Pink Lipstick Series. It is a starter kit from Modelones. Inside there is a free gift card, limited time offer. Excuse me. This, I believe, is a 24-watt mini lamp, so you can do your nails on the go. I'm not going to be using it here today because I've got my own lamp set up. But this is super cool that it comes with. Ow. We've got some nail stickers. We've got butterflies, and these are like frames. Circles, and well, they're ovals. They're really cool. I think these are really cool. The bottom row here, I like those. You got your cuticle oil pen here. It doesn't say a cent. Probably isn't one, but we're gonna check it out and see. They don't give you, well, I guess it's the normal going amount. Oh, I can't tell. I got Vicks on my nose. We've got the cuticle pusher and oh my god, this is the trim the skin. I can't think of what it's called. I can never remember. This bag here happens to be leather, the website said, which is really super cool. You got your nail scrubber and brush, your buffer, and your file. And last but not least, your lipstick polish. This is the Pink Series, the Pink Collection, Beginner Starter Kit. Oh, I'm gonna knock everything over. Hold on one minute. Oh no. Alright, we have the alcohol picked back up. These are your base and your top coat. I do not know yet if it is a no white. Then you've got your 6 colors. Cannot wait to dive in and play with these. I have got 6 swatch sticks set up here. We are going to swatch the colors out. Let me see here. Okay. There are numbers on the bottom. So not exactly in order. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10. Alright, alright, alright. We are going in with number 4. Wait a minute. Number 2, 3, and 4. Having a little bit of a brain fart here, so please excuse me. We have got color number 2. Oops. Want to make sure I am in frame. You don't want to put too thick of coats on. She will get wrinkling. Usually that only happens with the black and the white. Oh my goodness. The gel polish does self-level. So we're going to stick it with the lamp. It should be a 1 coat coverage. Number 3. Nails of Interest, I want to thank you so much, honey, for your gift. It really, really surprised me. Oh, this one's really thick. Get yourself nice long strokes. They say if you go in and go like this, if you're putting the air into the polish. I do not know if this is true. That is something I once heard. This is number 3. Number 4. The pink itself. It's a dark pink. I do like the brushes, they are flat. This is a thicker polish, I will say, which I love. Okay. These are true to color so far. We do have a black. Number 7. Now I did mention black does wrinkle if you put it on too thick of a coat. Oh, this is a black, it's a purple, it's a plum. Oh, I'm so excited. So very excited. This is not, I thought this for sure this was black. Playing tricks on my eyes. Number 7 is a plum, a purple. Yay! Oh, that greatly excites me. You want to wipe one side of your brush off completely. Like I said, gel polish does self-level, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. You don't want to have it on the underside of your brush, or your nail. I can see it. This is number 8. That's the nail itself, but Junkie. That's a beautiful color as well. Last but not least, number 10. These bottles are very full. very nice. Very smooth. Very smooth. These are nice. I'll definitely be using these. Oh, I just love them. Okay, I'm going to give them a full 60-second cure, and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. It is time to top coat. I could have done that off the side, but I didn't. I do want to check out on camera with you. This is a thick top coat with a slow drip, which I do really like and appreciate. I don't like the polish. I don't care if it's lacquer. It's a quick drip. Takes you one stroke down the center, down each side, come back down, smooth it out. Topper in the lamp. Topper in the lamp. Like I said before, at least I think I said, I do not know yet if this is a no wipe. It does not say anywhere. So we will find out together. All my other model ones are no wipe. But that doesn't mean this is. Or is not. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos. I'm going to be having a naming giveaway coming up really soon. For Christmas, Tammy's Manny's got me a practice hand. A posable, bendable practice hand. And us in the nail community that have what most of us name them. My flexi fingers is Harley Marie. So I want to do that with the hand that Tammy got me. Yeah, everybody can jump in and say, oh, this name or that name, and I'll pick the one I like the best. And I'm going to have it where they win like 2 or 3 packs of Swarovski crystals. And I'll be the one picking them out. And that's how that'll go. So those are in the lamp, giving those a full 60-second cure. And in the collection there is the base of the top coat, but it just says top coat, it does not say no wipe, so we'll see. But again, this is the pink lipstick collection. I think these are really nice. Really nice. Loving this color. Love these 2 colors right here. If I had to pick a third, it'd be the pink itself. But I'm definitely going to be using these on a regular basis. And again, thank you, Nails of Interest. This is a great little starter kit for the beginner, for the novice. It's just a great all-around kit. Nails of Interest does have a discount code. I will put that across the bottom of the screen. So you go shop at Modelones.com and save yourself some coin. The cuticle pen, I was reading the ingredients on that. The only thing I could tell that would have a scent would be the grapeseed, maybe. That's the first ingredient listed. The rest of them are like sesame oil. A lot of other jobby doos that are in it. But no like jojoba or anything like that. There's nothing like... excuse me. There's nothing like that in it that would give it a scent. So that's kind of a bummer. Okay, our lamp is finished. Oh, this does have a sticky layer. So let me get these out. Yes, ma'am, they do. So I have got me a lint-free white. I'm going to spray that with isopropyl alcohol. I have 70%. It does not matter what you use. You use whatever you have on hand. And it just takes the, I believe it's called the inhibition layer. It's a sticky layer that is left behind by gel polish. So we have wiped these all down, taken the sticky layer off. Whew. Now they're out of order, but oh well. I think these are really, really pretty. Great little collection. And here we go. And again, that is not black, that is plum. It's like a wine color. I really like them. I really do. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my gift of the Modelones Pink Lipstick Series. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. And as always, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.